back to you.
And me, Board Gaming. And Merry Christmas in July. Welcome back, everybody.
Christmas in July again.
Christmas and July. Wow. Okay, so he's flocked away back to the White House.
Oh. Well, I mean, you know, he's got to take flights.
Timothy has flown back away. So it's been a while here since we've been on Christmas in July. So Blizzard, welcome back. Haven't seen you. Welcome back, Santa.
What?
Kicking back, relaxing. Brought the elves this time. The reindeer, everybody's here.
What in the world? Santa's got sunglasses on and everything. He just chillaxing over there.
They didn't get to come last year on vacation. So brought them this time. Sammy can't make it here, and we told Sam he tried coming last year. If you guys remember that, he wasn't in good shape. Made of snow, does not mix with July, so we told Sammy we will see
Sammy
this
just
winter. He'll be a puddle on the table, so we said don't show up. We will see you in the winter. So how kind of Sammy. So we're doing it a little different here. We got it all together now, so we're just having one big giant spectacular for Christmas in July.
Oh.
Save some time here and we jump right into the next thing. So here we go. Thanks for making it, everybody. So to begin here, we're get back into that Christmas spirit. It's been a while. It's what 9-8 months now since we've been on the Christmas Wonderfest. So boom, Christmas trivia.
Oh boy.
So yep, you guys last seen this was just introduced for the Christmas Wonderfest. And I say just like it just happened. I was like, wow, it's already been months ago. Wow. So
almost time to do it all over again.
Yeah, getting there already.
I may sound a little nasally, a little sound off. I'm a little under the weather, but I'm not out of the weather. We put it that way. So I sound kind of different because I'm battling. Last couple days I've been battling this upper head congestion and stuff. So, but I'm better now. I'm better today. So we can do this. We can get through this. Even though I sound funny.
Sound like Blizzard over here.
I do sound like Blizzard.
Don't get them confused.
No,
Blizzard,
I'm still me. Blizzard's right here.
Blizzard. Alright, so we know how to play this. So go check out the first look review and full playthrough on the Christmas Wonderfest if you missed it. There you go. We're gonna play a little different here since we do have games to get to.
Okay, so we have.
So usually how these trivia games are is you get one question right in every category. So there's 4 different categories. Okay, I think there was 5 because that American Trivia had more.
Yeah, American Trivia had 5, I think.
Okay. So maybe it wouldn't be. I mean, it depends how long it takes to get Christmas carols right. But I was gonna say like three in any category. But I mean, since there's already 4, I guess I don't know. It did take like an hour. I think that video.
That one took
was
a
an
lot
hour.
longer because it felt like we were.
Because the Christmas carols can get you. Oh, but it did take over an hour for the Winterfest.
It wasn't nearly as long as the American one though.
Because that was a lot harder with a couple.
I felt like I was in a test and I couldn't get out of it.
Yep. So you can either do one of every category since there's only 4 or 3 of each category. I think that'd go a lot faster because I can just go boom entertainment.
Yeah, you just try to hit everything, as fast as you can with it. Yeah, I think we did this one a lot faster because everything was more familiar with. We were more familiar with it as opposed to America. It was like there's just everything covering America. So.
Which I think this is easier. Okay, so we'll play it normal here since there's not as much categories. I thought because I haven't played this in a while. So
yeah.
Okay, we'll do it.
All right, go ahead.
The original trivia. Okay, category. You remember?
I don't even know what categories are.
It's been about 8 months.
Yeah.
Christmas carols, holiday traditions, entertainment, or North Pole.
Let's do it. Let's just start off with Christmas carols.
All right.
Get that out of the way, hopefully.
Maybe we can remember some. I don't
know.
I don't remember. I don't really think
so let's just start with that. Let's see what happens.
Get all the cards we didn't get. Who murdered Good King? I can't even say it. Will Nissus in the 10th century, his brother or his cousin? Oh, it was like 50-50. Why can't I get a 50-50 second question?
What? I don't know.
Who murdered? I'm just gonna say Good King. Good King W. There we go.
Good King W.
In his 10th century. In the 10th century.
In the 10th century?
His brother or his cousin?
His brother or his cousin. And this isn't a Christmas Carol?
I guess so. In the 10th century. So, do they sing about this? Like, oh, he was murdered.
I don't know. I got a 50-50 shot. It's either the cousin or the brother. I'm going to go with the cousin?
Yeah, because his brother wouldn't do that, right? I mean, it's his brother, but no. Brother killed him. His brother. I want an easy question like that. Usually it's they're not like that. You don't get choose. It's just like,
well, see, it's kind of hard to say because, well, it could have been a brother because he was jealous that he was king and he was not. You know, I can see it that way.
Yeah, we really don't know his moral.
All right, so Christmas carols, holiday traditions, Christmas entertainment.
Because if I do carol right now, it's gonna be like, what is the name of this, and I don't have any options. So let's just see Christmas carol.
What Christmas hymn has lyrics that could be mistaken for while shepherds wash their socks by night?
And there's no choices. See, that's my look right there. Okay, say the whole thing again.
What Christmas hymn has lyrics that could be mistaken for while shepherds wash their socks
Hymn
by night?
Hymn. What's a hymn? Like a song? Huh. Something wash their socks by night. I mean, if it's not one I even know, then I shouldn't even try to guess it right here.
It's basically they've took the word and put a word that rhymes with it in its place. So you're looking for something that rhymes with socks.
But then I gotta know the name of that though. The name of the thing. Socks. Walks. Stockings. With care. With kidney. Good tidings, yeah. And Happy New Year, that one. We wish you Merry Christmas, boom. Good tidings, yeah, that one. Yep, we're gonna do that one. Yep, wish you Merry Christmas, yep. Mm-hmm. We're gonna be here a while. What we got?
Let's go Christmas Carol again.
The carol and okay, well we're just gonna get like the carols out of the way here, so you guys are gonna get like a whole what really made up the length of the video at the beginning, so it's gonna be a whole hour of wrong. The Carol in the Black Midwinter is based on the poem by what female romantic poet?
Mid-black winter?
The Bleak Midwinter.
Bleak Midwinter. I have no idea.
Spit a random name out.
I don't know.
Blizzard, what do you think? You got anything?
I'm not really familiar with that one.
Okay, well, phone a friend doesn't work. Phone a Blizzard. Entertainment. Yeah.
Christmas entertainment.
Yep.
Who's the speaking voice of Jack Skellington in The Nightmare Before Christmas?
Oh, yeah, because he's got like a singing voice and a speaking voice.
Mm-hmm.
I've watched that movie about 10 years. You know, when I figured that out, I was like, what? You mean this guy doesn't sing? Then I forgot his name because I haven't watched it in 10 years now. Yeah, Robert. Which is not right, so.
No.
Next.
Sorry.
Dang! One I should know. Alright, what do we got?
I thought for sure you were going to get that one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go with Carol again.
Which carol includes the lyrics, above any deep and dreamless sleep, the silent stars go by?
recognize those lyrics. Silent Night? I don't know.
Oh, Little Town of Bethlehem.
Ah, see?
One I listened to. I wouldn't have guessed it though. I know the name. Not
that part of the lyrics I didn't recognize. So I've heard the song.
I can recognize the name.
I've even sang
lyrics.
the song. I just never recognized that part of the song. Entertainment. In the animated classic Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, who is Rudolph's girlfriend?
She told me cute.
Clara, Clarice, or Charlotte?
I mean, does anybody really need some options with that? Clarice.
That's correct.
I did get worried a little bit there. I was like, oh, it starts with a C, and then I heard Clarice.
That half second. Phew. Yeah. They actually give me a multiple choice question.
Kept this one up. She's so cute.
Let's do carols again.
How many performers have recorded Winter Wonderland? Under 100 or over 100?
Winter Wonderland?
Man, now I got that one out of the way. That was really one that I really want to do. Entertainment. That's the best one.
I'm going to say probably under 100.
No!
Oh, come on!
Popular song.
It is a popular song, but...
Over 100 people did that?
I guess it makes sense because almost everybody does it, so... I almost said over 100 and I just second-guessed myself in the last second and said under 100.
That needs to be a challenge.
Yeah.
Listening to every single version of Winter Wonderland. Ranking all of them. This Christmas, coming to you, U&ME Board Gaming.
Uh-oh.
On Christmas, if we play like a Christmasopoly...
What's your,
I bet we can listen to all 100 songs. Before the end of that.
What's your category?
North Pole.
North Pole. What city in Latvia is known as the birthplace of the Christmas tree?
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. That song doesn't tell me, so I should stop singing it. Bethlehem. I don't know.
No. I probably wouldn't have got that one either.
A weird name.
Good carols.
The song "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" also wishes you a happy what?
New Year.
I was like, yeah, okay. Before you even answered, I'm like, I'm just gonna pass that. Get ready to pass that over there too.
That was actually an easier one.
Yeah, that's one I need right there. The classic, the popular one. Plus, I just sung it, so couldn't get it wrong. I just sung it a couple minutes ago.
All right.
Yeah, you go through all these carols and then boom, that one.
So you have Christmas carols, holiday traditions, and North Pole.
All right, let's see if I get me. So it's probably gonna go back to the other ones, the harder ones I've never heard. Carols.
What was Rudolph excluded from because he had a red nose?
Hey! See, I had a feeling there. It might give me an easy one right after the easy one. All right, don't mess this up. One more time in case I say something wrong.
What was Rudolph excluded from because he had a red nose?
This one foggy Christmas Eve. The reindeer games.
The reindeer games is correct.
So if I was like just say the wrong thing and mess with you guys, I wonder how many comments we'd have. How could you? Just like
whole bunch of comments on YouTube with them. They're all capitals and everything else.
And then they click play. They click play again. They're like, oh, he's playing around. All right, delete. Go back and delete the comment. Wow, we actually got through carols already. Wow, how many?
Got the hard ones out of the way.
16 minutes in.
The harder ones out of the way. I mean, we still have a couple of them that could be hard, depending on the question. Like some of the North Pole ones could be harder than others.
So now we have two more.
Yeah.
So you have entertainment. And
no, I have Christmas carols.
No, I like to left.
Oh, left. Holiday traditions, entertainment, and North Pole. What I have left. And if you have holiday traditions and North Pole left.
Cool. Okay. 2-1. Oh yeah, I thought you had to. Okay.
Let's do North Pole.
Oh crap. Gretland Jewel is Merry Christmas in which language? Danish, Dutch, or Dutchish?
I'm gonna say Dutch.
Wow, 3D's here. What do you think? Final one? Yeah. Nothing.
No?
Nope.
Oh wow. Danish.
Thought you were gonna have 2-2 there. Because I heard duh and then like they all.
And I'm just trying.
They all start with duh.
Yeah. So I was trying to like. I couldn't remember the first one. So
they all start with duh.
I should have asked you what the choices were again. Make sure. All right. So you have holiday traditions and North Pole.
North Pole.
The pole.
The pole.
All right. True or false? Saint Nicholas spent time in prison.
Who? Santa? Santa spent time. What do we mean here? Just like entertainment? I mean, there's movies where he does go to jail. I mean, sure, yeah. But he's. I'm so confused right now. I mean, it's Santa, so he wouldn't go to jail. But I mean, if this is like entertainment, like if we're talking about like the character all in general, it's like yeah, okay, sure, Santa. He's right there. Why don't we just ask him, Santa? You been to jail? All right, enjoy your time. I'm sorry to bother you. Enjoy your fun in the sun. I mean, would that go to jail? Come on, still on too much cookies? I don't know. Movies, yes. This is a weird question. Would I think Santa would go to jail? No. But what is that movie he goes to jail? There's like, I'm Santa, and he doesn't believe him, and he locks him up. See the movie where he does that. Yes, but no. Yes, but no. So, I don't know what context here. So, we gonna think like. No. Yeah, I don't know what context we're talking about here.
True or false? Saint Nicholas spent time in prison.
Yes. No. Why? What do I have to lose? The card?
Yeah, 50-50 shot if you didn't get it right.
I mean. Alright, I'm not gonna say movies here, and I'm just gonna say disclude movies. We're gonna say no, because I don't think Santa would go to jail. Unless people don't believe Santa, then he's just an old man, so he would. So it's yes. See, that's. True. A prisoner. You could tell me we weren't even talking about Santa here. We're talking about some Roman.
I said Saint Nicholas. I didn't say Santa Claus.
Well, that's what they call him. So you mean okay? That was a whole wasted 5 minutes. I mean, you could have saved then some time. Be like, we're not talking about Santa here. We're talking about some Roman emperor. Okay, cool. All right. None of you seen all that. Whoop. Okay. Men in Black. Okay. All right. So I just got. We had another question. Nothing happened. You don't. You forgot it. Boom. What do we got?
North Pole.
When did the American press first make a mention of Santa Claus? What the? Santa Claus. Now I'm going to tell you if we're talking about the Emperor or not. Oh, wait. 1773, 1813, or 1893?
1893?
No! It's been around forever. Or apparently to them, STA Claus. Santa Claus. STA Claus. Interesting.
STA Claus. Interesting.
Santa. Yeah, they just shortened it.
Alright.
Abbreviated.
Yeah.
Santa. So his middle name's A. What's your middle name then? North Pole.
For a time in England, Father Christmas delivered presents riding on a white what?
What would be white? In England, cup of tea, white cup of tea. In England, okay, delivering presents riding on a what?
Father Christmas delivered presents riding on what? White what?
I mean, immediately when you said white, I thought a polar bear. But I don't think you.
Me?
I don't think he would have been riding on Blizzard. I think you would remember that. So the only thing that makes the most sense is a horse or reindeer. No, horse. White horse. What do you ride on, a goat? Get me no polar bear rolling white what? Deer? I want to know that. I want to know that now. This Christmas, I want to get that question again. I want to know. Jamal over here again, riding in on Jamal.
Let's go with North Pole again.
Riding in on Jamal, white goat. What organization was founded by Rev. Jesse Jackson on December 24th, 1971?
Organization? The Salvation Army.
I remember that when that popped up. Me over here, what is it? Yeah, play it. Memories.
No. I didn't think it was. I was just guessing.
I'm like, I know it.
I'm trying to figure out some kind of Christmas organization that does stuff. Oh,
that's getting me this time. That's not getting out. Yeah.
Now I just realized one. Dang it.
What?
What's the category?
I'm going to remember that this Christmas now. North.
Where did the line, "Yes, Virginia, there is a Santa Claus," first appear? Movie, newspaper column, or greeting card?
Yes, Virginia. Oh, yes, Virginia, there is a Santa Claus. Newspaper. Or greeting card makes the most sense. But newspaper, because it sounds like a headline. Yes, Virginia. Yeah, there was a newspaper. Yeah, boom. I know a headline.
It was a newspaper column.
Newspaper column. Oh, it wasn't a headline. Wasn't a headline column.
It probably was, but usually when there's a headline that has a column story with it too, you know.
What's Frosty's last word?
Let's do North Pole.
True or false? What? You mean I had a 3-answer choice and you get a true or false? The magnetic North Pole moves.
False.
It's magnetic. What are you talking about? He laughed at it just to make this confused face right now. False. What? So there's an actual North Pole pole. Like there's just a pole. Just like it says, "Welcome to the North Pole."
Magnetic North Pole? I thought it stayed in place.
You been to the magnetic North Pole?
No, I'm just saying. I didn't think it moved.
What are we talking about here?
The magnetic North Pole.
I'm confused. Like a magnet? On a magnet. North and south. Sweet potato pie and shit, man. Alright. whatever. I don't know. Moving on.
So you have one left. It's holiday traditions.
Oh, all right, cool.
Right?
Give it to me. Yep.
Because you did entertainment, North Pole, and Christmas carols. All right, holiday traditions it is.
All right,
Christmas seals are sponsored by what nonprofit organization?
This ain't gonna be the one. Christmas seals. Push. Yeah, we're just gonna say Salvation.
Nope.
Because that's apparently like the only one in the world. Because we keep saying it.
Let's do North Pole.
The Belgium fir is a popular Christmas tree because it has soft what? Tree can have soft something.
Soft branches?
Isn't that the same thing? Is it needles? That's what that is? It's needles.
Oh, needles.
Isn't that the same thing? No, the needles are like the... Thanks for bringing the Christmas tree. This is really nice to have right here. Visualize it.
The needles are the green things that hang off branches
so
right
not
here.
the branch.
It's
but they're on
in
the
same
branch.
family.
But they're on the branch, though.
Yeah.
Well, wait a minute. That's the same thing as a leaf. We don't call a leaf a branch, even though it's on the branch. So a leaf is not a branch, so that means a needle wouldn't be a branch.
So it's not the same then.
But I would call those branches, not the green things, though. Whatever, get out of here.
Yeah, interesting.
But yeah, people would make the argument, hey, well, if you don't call a leaf, it's like, so, there we go.
Oh, gosh.
Traditions, not going to get it. There's going to be one. There's going to be one.
Small gifts found in Christmas stockings are usually referred as to what?
It's not going to be the one. Wait, say it again, say it again.
Small gifts found in Christmas stockings are usually referred to as what?
Why'd you like scoff at this one? Stocking stuffer.
Yes.
Yay.
That's why I was like, oh, it's an easy one.
Oh, there we go.
I knew it may take you a second to figure out the term for it, but I knew you would
Stocking
get it.
Stuffer.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, I got 1 out of 4, but hey,
Holiday
that's better than
traditions,
nothing.
Stocking stuffers. Yep.
Tells you I need to brush up on my Christmas knowledge.
North Pole, the newspaper. Yeah, there you go. That could help us for December now. Entertainment, Clarice. Love Clarice. Thanks for joining us here today. Being mentioned in the car. Clarice is not actually here. Sad. Yeah, where's Rudolph? Why he couldn't make it? He couldn't join the vacation. And then Christmas carols, reindeer games, and then you had one of them, whichever one it was. Carols. That's what it was. Christmas carols. So that was faster than
Much faster than last time.
than the first playthrough. About 30 minutes less, I would say.
Instructions back on the box.
So there we go. Now that we're brushed up, we're in that Christmas spirit now. So there we go.
There we go. Christmas.
Buy it now. A perfect ho-ho holiday gift.
Game.
If you want more, you can always go back to the Christmas Wonderfest last year and check it out. Very fun over there.
Yep.
I think it was like one of the first ones. It might have been. Okay, so everybody's on vacation. We enjoying the vacation. Santa over here is on vacation. Enjoying the summer vacation, so we got Christmas vacation.
Oh,
National
Lampoon's
Lampoon's Christmas vacation.
Card Scramble. This is a fun one.
Mm-hmm. Similar, actually, the same thing.
We introduced this one
Last year.
this past Christmas, so it's another one that we introduced into the Christmas special.
Check it out. So similar to same thing as the Card Scramble Elf one.
It's the exact same style gameplay of Elf.
The year before.
It's just themed to National Lampoon's.
Going around the board, getting to the star, which we've only ever played that version. There's some other versions, but we only played that specific one. Getting back to start.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the crappy bases.
I don't know.
Yeah, the ones that don't stay. Oh yeah, this is the game where you gotta like shove a token in it just to get it to stay in there. That was the one thing wrong.
This is the one that those are the stands that we have a pet peeve on. That we made
They don't work, so stop using game companies. You gotta shove a token, the one you gotta use for gameplay, in it just to keep your cutout in there.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna pick these out of the box as we use them.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do too.
Only when needed, because that'll take a lot more time to get them all over here.
I don't know why they
What the? Did you select the wrong one?
We got blue. Red again. Red and blue.
Oh, those were in the bag.
What do you mean? We always get red and blue.
Well, on this one we did red and green, but okay.
Green? Okay, whatever.
Christmas. Okay, yep. There's her base, okay. Which is orange, and she's yellow.
Yeah, that's...
Her chips are yellow. She's yellow. Her background. But then, bam. Orange. Orange base.
Alright.
Certain amount of cards.
Let's see how many cards we get to start off with.
Then 2 face up. And if you are using the timestamps to watch these, consider going back and watching the last game. The Christmas trivia, pretty nice. If you are using the timestamp in the comments. Anyway. It's a lot of action cards.
What?
Oh, I ain't getting action cards to the space cards.
Oh. Didn't realize there was 2 different cards here.
No, because the red spaces are the action.
I didn't realize they were in the same stack. That was my bad.
We'll be missing some cards.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think these are, because, this is a big stack of space.
Make sure we go through those real quick.
I just did.
Oh, you did? Okay. Space cards. Yeah. Each player gets this player's... Okay, each player's dealt 9 space cards total. From the 9 space cards, each player must organize and decide which 7 space cards they will keep in their hand. To remain hidden from the other players, and which 2 they will open in front of them. Everyone to see. The 2 open cards are now available for other players to trade during their turn. Okay.
which I never really.
Oh yeah, I would never do the trade. Did we even shuffle these?
Did you? This might be a little easy. Well, we still have to select two anyway.
Okay.
Well, I mean, the trade things can't even go in your hand, right? Because I know we did swap one time, but they're just
trade.
They're just there.
Yeah, but they're open
We don't
ones.
really even actually use them, but they do swap it. So there's those.
I have the same actually. That'll be going out in my trade block.
Trading block. And let's begin. Alright, we have a certain amount of limit we can do. Okay. I guess to start off here, I guess I'll fart here. Did I break a win? Collect 2 cards. Move 2 spaces. 1, 2. There's that. Okay. Right, yeah. Draw, replace thing. Oh, there's that one where if you can't go, you do like something. There are some other things to this. Put down, like you're doing something.
Okay, player can or pick up. The player can pick up 2 space cards from the space card pile deck on the game board, but must discard 2 space cards in the communal discard pile to ensure they always have 9 cards total.
Pick up first from there.
First and then down. I'm gonna break wind myself.
Fart at the
1,
beginning of the game.
2.
Gives us a little boost to get going. And then since we do this, we have to discard if they're not going. Because we always have to have with 7.
We have to have a total of 9
1, 2,
in our hand at all times, including the 2 that are face down.
Okay.
Yes.
So discard.
It's over. Alright. Draw 2. I'm going to discard 2. I can't do a dang thing.
Can't do dang thing. We're gonna be stuck.
discarded. Okay. Oh, we're supposed to, I forgot to mark my Did I Break Wind.
Oh,
Look at green. Whoops, that's not green. There we go. Okay. Put that over there, and I'm just going to put these two down and go. It's your turn.
Awesome. Okay.
Oh, boy. Those two down. Go.
Kane, California, yo! Welcome
Yo,
back.
Kane, California. How's it going?
How's it been? Thanks for tuning in. Very much appreciated.
Oh, and
Merry Christmas in July.
speaking of Kane, California.
There you go. Number one up there. Rolling for a year. 1 whole year.
1 whole year, dude. At number 1.
A lot of people been trying to take you down.
Speech! Speech!
Yeah, we need a speech. The Book of Leaders.
Be forever in the Book of Leaders. Congratulations. As the longest, at this point, the longest person being at number 1.
That's the accomplishment right there.
1 year running so far.
Yep. How's it been? Yeah. You got 3 more. You get your term. That's it. The new person in office. How's it been? Just came out of the 3 weeks ago now. Out of the 4th of July. Now we're into the Christmas in July. So. Pretty fun. I don't want to keep using like the 1 or 2s because like that's you need those towards the end if you like want to make it a start. Like if it's 1, 2.
I know, but see that's the thing is you got for like
4.
2, you still have 3 more, so you can like put them off for later, and then hopefully
I can't use them until all go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of them you only got 1, so you have to like figure out what's the most advantageous to use those. You know, so you have 2, so it's basically a strategy game as far as the movement's concerned.
Farting again.
Farting again, but you get an action card this time though.
There you go. That's probably the best way to do that. And Bethany Cat is chewing on the wire. At least I'm using another one to get something out of it. Yeah. Chewing on the wire of the Christmas tree lights. Trade 1 card with the player to the right. There.
Yeah, just stick it there.
So it's the same. So just murder for murder.
Murder for murder.
Because I think it's talking about the trade pile. So. Liberty, freedom, and strength. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. All right, there you go. That will be quoted. And remember, thank you for that awesome speech. That is warming right there.
That was good. That was good.
That's inspirational.
That's definitely going to be a T-shirt now.
Oh, Kane, California. Yep. In quotations and then dash Kane, California. And it says leaderboard on the back. New series of T-shirts, U&ME.com. The leaderboard T-shirts. Everybody that's been number one has a quote. Kane talk, Kane talk.
Alright.
So that trade thing really didn't do nothing. I was like, what if it was one of those I go forward? That would have been kind of helpful.
Yeah, I know.
Well, at least it's a trade and it didn't move it back.
Go. Can't do anything.
I could just move back one and move back.
Oh no.
Move right back again.
Yeah. Or one move forward, one will move you back, or one you still stuck on it.
Oh yeah. Either way.
Either way.
It's either move like one forward or two. Usually
Yeah.
the cards have that.
Oh boy. It's gonna be a slow moving game today. Already feel it.
Trying to get all the way around.
No.
Oh, you're still there.
Yep.
We're just inching. We barely inched. We took a couple turns down. But
You moved up twice, and I only moved once, and I can't do any other moves.
in those twice, I've only been 3 spaces. It's insane that 99 Fahrenheit on a cool day is a cool day to chill out. I feel like I say this every summer. 99. Woo. Yeah, that's why we said, Sammy, stay home.
Sammy needs to.
Sammy can't attend.
He needs to stay in his.
Sammy can't attend the Christmas in July. We're just
his
see
home
you, see you in the winter. He tried that stunt.
Summertime, yeah.
He tried that stunt last year and it didn't work. It didn't work out for him. Almost lost him there. He still didn't move. Got to 109 in Palm Springs, California. Yeah, I would move. I'd move at that point. If it's up in 109, yeah, I'm done. I'm peace.
Go.
I'm done. Oh, it's too toasty. That's a little too crispy there. How do you do
turkey?
it? Yeah, that turkey definitely, and then that out in the sun in California.
Woo. If it's hot enough to cook a fried egg on the pavement outside, it's too hot outside. Just saying.
Yep.
You can successfully cook food outside. It's too hot to be outside.
Or you could save power and just cook it in your car.
Well, that too.
Just on your dash. There you go. Cook a pizza on your dash.
Yep, that too.
Can we at least get to the second strip? The second strip of the board.
Honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to be able to move.
Wait. What news? What's the news? What I miss? Is something important that I'm missing here? You catch any of the news in EU? I have not. People in UK. They're not built for the heat wave. Dang. What? This is supposed to be a nice Christmas vacation time, and now I'm sad.
Go.
I was the rain down in Africa. When I got something built up, and then you're just like, okay, whatever, I'm not going to get it, so you start getting rid of them, and then you start getting them again. Sucks! It's like, alright, this looks a nice idea, and then it's like, okay, I've done it for so long here, I'm just going to slowly take it away, and then those cards keep coming back.
Go.
Wow, through the deck. Don't we like reshuffle when that happens?
Well, if it gets to that point, yeah. You have to reshuffle them in.
Alright. Santa Claus! Collect 4 cards, move 6 spaces.
Oh, you're finally able to move again. Well, I'm still trying to figure out my next move. Every time I strategize, like you say, every time you try to get something going, it backfires on you. You can't.
Then you try something else. Yep. Okay. Picture him eating Clarkness. Come on!
When you land on a picture, I think it's
one less. It's one less.
One less.
And you have to.
Yeah.
What you do it? It's like a bonus turn. You have to do it right then.
So if it says click 5, then it would be 4 if you were on that picture. You know.
This is the Christmas Vacation National Lampoon's Card Scramble.
Picture right there.
By the way, Kane, I think you did watch this one last year. Maybe if you're in on that stream.
Yeah. Anyway.
And seen like the first look on YouTube. So, yep, back again.
Okay. Go.
And claws. Oh man, there's only 2 of those. Great Scott! There's only 3 of them. 2 of them.
Yep, 2 of them. 2 of them. That one.
Okay, not the brightest bulb. Collect 3, move 5. Fine. And then move forward 5? Does that say 5?
Move forward 5 spaces.
Oh, dang!
1, 2,
Look at
3,
that.
4, 5. Action card.
I did not even.